La 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 la. Hey ah, 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 ah. Mm. Aha. Zu, 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 zu. La 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 la. In this video, we will talk about the company which did India's first audio record sung by Gulhar Jaan in 1902 and the first Bollywood film Alam Ara that was released in 1931 was from this music label. I believe that most of us would not have forgotten this beautiful nipper dog listening to the wind-up disc on the gramophone. His master's voice or HMV was the unofficial brand name for the British music label company Gramophone Company Limited. Gramophone Company was acquired by the R.P. Goenka Group in 1985 while they retained the HMV label in their business. HMV, after a 100 years journey from 1902, bringing beautiful memories to music lovers in our country, paved way for Saregama in 2000. I still remember going to the exclusive HMV outlets in late 80s. Those used to be beautiful stores, big ones, large format, and used to command premium among other music labels in those days. Of course, today even Saregama doesn't have such kind of exclusive outlets. The music industry has gone through a dramatic shift in the last 30 years. Today, Saregama is part of the RP Sanjeev Goenka Group after the RPG empire got divided between the two brothers, Harsh and Sanjeev. Saregama went into losses in March 2020 financial year, while very soon they bounced back with vigor. Their profit margins, which used to be at single digits, suddenly saw a big leap. What made that happen? Probably their new product launches got a big attraction in the market. Maybe. In 2017, Saregama launched Carvaan. Which brought a totally different shift to their business. They started using their old collection of film music along with classicals, instrumentals, all of this put together in this new product, which immediately caught the attention in the market, and of course not was a big great success, while still it has a fantastic presence. And along with this, they also came into movie production and TV serials. Of course, did not make any big names in this, yet there was, apart from one name, that is a movie called Music Teacher, which did some noise. So all these put together probably brought a big turnaround for this company on the profit side. When sales went into a negative growth, profits took a big leap due to margin expansion. Margins went on from 10% to reach 23% in just 3 years' time. A look at this graph will show how the margins began to fly like a kite. As Saregama turned around in 2020, this stock qualified to get into the top ranks on its profit growth. As its rank started moving above 80 on its earnings growth, this stock qualified to become the next multi-bagger in the market. While at the time, this stock was a very tiny stock in the market. It was even having less than 1000 crores market cap. A reason why this stock has very less institutional partnership in its investors. Apart from Tata Small Cap Fund, which has a small exposure, there are very few institutional investors in this stock. When it comes to mutual funds, one can identify the future top performers by looking at their portfolio. If the portfolio has a lot of top ranking stocks in it, it is for sure going to give us very big returns. So, using ranking, one can identify the future leaders in mutual funds too. Retail investors have had a larger presence in this stock for a very long time, while they missed to capitalize on the big surge the stock had in the recent past. In fact, they were net sellers in the stock as the stock was going up, along with some domestic institutional investors who were also sellers of the stock, while in the same time FIIs came in at the right moment as the stock started going up. They increased their exposure and have made big chunk of profits in a short period. Here, a look at this graph, which has the ranking and the price pattern, shows how the stock moved up post its ranking. The stock was quoting at around 500 rupees when the ranking moved above 80, and as the rank strengthened, stock took a big long leap to reach 2500 in just 1 year period. A look at the stock chart to see how the price patterns have moved. Here we can see as the stock qualified on its earnings rank, price gave a big upside breakout. After that, stays there for a couple of months. Then when the next quarter result came, it confirmed with even higher ranking strength, and from there it took a big surge and never looked back after that. So far, Saregama has given 520% returns from the time it qualified on its top ranking, and this stock on its price pattern has some more space to cover. That is, this stock can go up even more from here, probably in a couple of months time from now. Let's compare the returns Saregama has given to its investors against the NSE 500 index. NSE 500 is a broad index for our country. In the last 1 year period, if 1000 rupees was invested into a NSE 500 index, it is today valued at 1630 rupees, 63% gain in 1 year. The same 1000 rupees invested into Saregama is, if we take a shorter 3-month period return, Saregama has made 100%. That is, 100 rupees became 200 rupees in 3 months period, while the index has grown only 6%. Let's go to even lower 1 month return. Even there, Saregama stock has given 4 times what the index has given as returns to its investors. Index gave about 8%, Saregama gives around 34%. So this is the beauty of investing into top ranking stocks. Generally, they go on to become multi-baggers, and multi-bagger returns are always super extraordinary compared to the average market returns. The next question that will strike our mind is, can we buy this stock now? In our opinion, it's not a good time to buy the stock now because it is in an extreme overbought level. It's good to wait for a correction and buy when the stock goes below 2000. Will it happen? Probably yes, probably no, because the kind of surge the stock has had, it has never come to a perfect buy level after it started moving up. So if suppose somebody wants or feels that you will be missing out, then take a small exposure and add when the stock price moves at least 5% above your buy price level, or if there is concern, better to wait for a correction. So as long as the company is growing on its profits, stock price will keep going higher and higher. So investing into top ranking stocks helps us grow our investments also at a faster pace, beating all the indices and averages. To get your copy of the Stock Rank Report, join our discussion group. To subscribe to the Stock Rank Report, to join, send a WhatsApp request to the contact given in the description or in the end of the video to join the group. As you are listening to soothing music and enjoying your life, let your investments keep growing with Saregama. Enjoy money making. Thank you.